Hey, Cyber Patriot boys and girls, let's take a look at setting up a management VLAN. So what I want to do is I'm going to put in two switches. I'm going to join the switches through a fiber port, which we have not done yet. Then we're going to set the ports into trunking mode, and we're going to set up a management VLAN. So under the switches, the only ones that have a fiber port are the generics. You can choose the 3560 and add fiber, but by default I think these are the only ones that have fiber. So I got my two switches. I'm going to go over my connection, come over to fiber, choose Fast Ethernet 4.1, and the same on the other side. Now I'll go into the config on the switch. And first thing I want to do is I want to issue the command VLAN and then the number of the VLAN I want to create. Then I can give the VLAN a name, and I'll just call that MGMT. I'll back out and then go back into the interface VLAN 300. And I will give that VLAN, that interface of VLAN 300, an IP address 192.168.0.1 with a default subnet mask. If you recall, we connected the two switches through Fast Ethernet 4/1. So I'm going to go into 4/1 and configure that as a trunk. Put it in trunking mode so it will carry traffic on all VLANs on the switch. So I'm going to go interface, Fast Ethernet, 4/1. I'm going to go switch port, mode, trunk. Okay, I'm going to go back over to the other switch. I'm going to do the same thing. Whoops. So I'm going to do VLAN 300. I'm going to give it a name of MGMT. I'm going to exit back one, and then I'm going to go into interface VLAN 300. Give it an IP address. And remember, we're going to go into interface Fast Ethernet 4/1. And we're going to make that a trunk port. So if we do a show VLAN, we'll see our new VLAN 300 management. And if we show run, here's our Fast Ethernet 4.1, which is in trunk mode. Now, just to make sure the local address is fine, I want to ping itself. We see that's successful. Now I'm going to go ahead and ping the switch on the other side. First packet or two may drop. That's very normal. But as you can see at this point, it gets it. So if we go back over to the other switch, I'll hit Control Z. You get out of config. You can see it works the other way as well. Alright, and if we do show VLAN, we see our VLAN 300 for management is active. So adding VLANs is as simple again as the command VLAN and then the number. So you put in question mark, it gives you the options. So 301. And after that, your options are in the packet tracer application, pretty much give it a name or negate. Pretty much just the name is what you can have in here. Alright, and then again the interface VLAN, let's go 300. Here you can see all the options that you have on that. So that's it. In another video we will take a look at I think the next one we're going to do is taking a look at SSH and telnet from one switch to another, and naturally by that we're going to have to enable usernames and passwords. All right, thanks.